Pick up the best blender for your kitchen with our top 13 choices from the likes of Ninja, Nutribullet, Vitamix, Zwilling, and Breville. We've been busy blending up plenty of soup, smoothie, and even dip recipes to make sure you choose the best blender for your kitchen. Some will prefer a bullet blender to make single-serve drinks in the morning, but others may prefer a pitcher-style multi-serve blender that can be used to make large soups and generous portions of milkshakes or dips. We have included a mix of both in this guide, so you can find the perfect choice in shredding fresh ingredients in an instant. However, if you like making fresh dips and even pancake batter in a machine, a blender will be more than suitable. In this guide we have even included kitchen systems with blender pitchers and food chopper bowls to multitask in your home. So, let's get started. Number 10 is Kitchenaid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Features of this product. It comes with a large 56-ounce jar, made out of robust and extremely thick glass. It may be a touch on the heavy side, but gives you an impression of how long this blender will last. A single dial on the front lets you choose from the 5-speed settings and pulse, plus the special modes, smoothie, ice crush, frozen drink, and clean. The weight of the pitcher means that there's no need for a locking mechanism. Drop the pitcher and integrated blades onto the base and you're ready to go. Features. Nothing is a problem for this blender. Ice is crushed into fine snow, hard fruits and vegetables are blended into smooth drinks, and you can whiz through dry ingredients thanks to the powerful 1200W motor. The next is Number 9. Instant Ace Nova Cooking Blender. Features of this product. Like the Instant Pot, the Instant Ace Nova Cooking Blender is truly a multitasking tool, with 9 programs that can conquer everything from smoothies to nut milks. Unlike most blenders at this price point, the Instant Ace Nova has a sturdy glass pitcher, as plastic is not suitable for cooking foods at high temperatures. Features. It has multiple settings including one-touch presets for smoothies, soy milk, rice milk, nut oat milk, soup, and frozen desserts, as well as standard puree, crushed ice, blend and pulse functions. And you also have the choice of 10-speed customizable speeds up to 25,000 RPM for true control over your blended beverages and foods. After use, it features a self-cleaning mode to loosen. Number 8. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ. Features of this product. As well as the 72-ounce pitcher, you get a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and 2 24-ounces blending cups for single-serve drinks to take away. That's a big arsenal at your disposal, and makes this blender an all-round friend for your kitchen. Of course, the downside is that you have to find space to store all of the extra bits, so of which you may not even use. There are 5 Auto IQ programs: Smoothie, Ice Crush, Extract, Chop and Dough, but which ones are available depends on the accessory attached. You can't crush ice, for example, when the food processor is connected, but you can with the single-serve cup and the pitcher. Features. Outside of the Auto IQ programs, there are just low, medium, high and pulse settings. With a powerful motor, the Ninja Professional can easily crush ice and blend smooth smoothies. It is quite loud though. The next is Number 7. Breville the 3X Blosser. Features of this product. The blender has 3 modes: smoothie, ice crush, and cocktail. It also has a self-clean setting that allows you to simply add water and dish soap for it to automatically clean in under 1 minute. We found that it makes a delicious smoothie bowl, and could power through soup and sauces too. It's got a large capacity and the lid clamps on with a twist-out top to add more ingredients as you blend. Features. The blender clamps right onto the powerful blending base, and this can be unhooked to switch out to the centrifugal juicer attachment. The idea is that you can then use the blender pitcher to catch the juice that comes out of your juicer, and even add in strawberry or milk to then blend up fresh ingredients with your juice for an added kick of flavor. The next is Number 6. Smeg BLF0150S Blender. Features of this product. While the look may be retro, it's all modern when it comes to how the Smeg BLF0150's blender works. We used it to make a light and lump-free smoothie using frozen ingredients, where the frozen setting came in very helpful. The pitcher is not advised for use with hot ingredients, so we had to wait for our soup to cool before use, but we were impressed with just how creamy the result was. It was also easy to pour in cream while the blender worked thanks to the lid, which has a stopper for measuring and adding as you blend. Features. Not all parts can be placed in the dishwasher, but the pitcher can. It cleans a treat and doesn't require screwing into the base, instead just slotting into place. Not the best blender for versatility, but it certainly delivers on aesthetics and delicious results. The next is Number 5. Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. Features of this product. With both a half and full liter capacity, the Beast Blender comes full equipped for making drinks to go or home blending. There's a carry lid, a removable blending lid, and a diffuser insert that can be used to make fruit or cucumber-infused drinks, or even iced teas. Our smoothies were faultless, but we also made impressive crushed ice and delicious dips with this versatile blender. The removable parts are also dishwasher safe. Designed for complete hydration, the Beast Blender Plus Hydration System has a secure seal that keeps drinks fresh for up to a week. We tried this out on pancake batter, and it really impressed us. No skin formed on the top of our batter, and we were able to get the same results for breakfast 2 days after we blended the mix. Features. The blender claims to have a brain, meaning it takes note of blade speed, internal temperatures, and the torque. We like the ribbed vessel, which looks lovely when not in use. However, it can make scraping dips and thicker liquids away from the inside tricky. The controls are very minimal, with one button that automatically adjusts to achieve the desired consistency. Of course, you may want a specific consistency if you're making a chunky dip or crushed ice, so a manual mode may have been useful. The next is Number 4. Beast Blender Plus Hydration System. Features of this product. Zwilling makes some of the top kitchen knives you can buy. Its winglet blades are incredibly sharp and made in Germany, and the Triton pitcher is ribbed for an elevated finish. You do not need to lock the ENFINIGY Countertop Power Blender onto the base, simply slot it in and press down the lid to light up the control panel. It won't blend unless the lid is attached, and it does so firmly. This is because you can buy a vacuum sealing insert to keep smoothies and soups fresh in the refrigerator. Features. The 5 modes are pulse, smoothie, cocktail, ice cream, ice crushing, and cleaning. It is very powerful, with preset speeds and pulsing modes for making drinks and even sauces and dips. Should you struggle to blend everything, you can use the pusher insert that goes into the top of the lid to stir safely. The next is Number 3. Zwilling ENFINIGY 64-ounce Countertop Power Blender. Features of this product. Zwilling makes some of the top kitchen knives you can buy. Its winglet blades are incredibly sharp and made in Germany, and the Triton pitcher is ribbed for an elevated finish. You do not need to lock the ENFINIGY Countertop Power Blender onto the base, simply slot it in and press down the lid to light up the control panel. It won't blend unless the lid is attached, and it does so firmly. This is because you can buy a vacuum sealing insert to keep smoothies and soups fresh in the refrigerator. Features. The 5 modes are pulse, smoothie, cocktail, ice cream, ice crushing, and cleaning. It is very powerful, with preset speeds and pulsing modes for making drinks and even sauces and dips. The next is Number 2. Nutribullet Pro 900 Series Blender. Features of this product. We found that the Nutribullet Pro 900 Series blender made fantastic smoothies and shakes. They came out very green with no seeds or fibers left unblended. Even kale and berries were pulverized. Although simple to operate, The bullet-style blender shape is perfect for reaching everything inside the cup. Simply twist on the lid and lock it into the powerful blending base to start your smoothie. Features: the blender comes with a screw-on handle and lids for sipping. Everything but the blades themselves can go through the dishwasher, and it's easy enough to clean the blades under running water after your drink is finished. The next is Number 1. Vitamix A3500 ASCENT Series Smart Blender. Features of this product. With 5 presets to choose from, the Vitamix A3500 ASCENT Series Smart Blender is as high-tech as a blender can be. It also has a manual dial that can go up to 10 different speeds, and we love that the pitcher simply lifts away from the base with no twisting, meaning it can favor both left and right-handed users. The powerful blades can not only blend, but also cook out soups and sauces. We made an incredible tomato soup completely from scratch, just using the 10-minute preset soup mode. You should be aware that it can't cook firmer ingredients like potato or carrot, but it's still a suitable substitute to the best immersion blenders if you're willing to cook your ingredients before adding to the jug. Features. Included with the blender is an excellent recipe book, a quick start guide, and a tamper to reach down and make sure that more solid ingredients like dips are incorporated fully into the blades while the Vitamix works. The jug isn't dishwasher safe, but it does have a self-clean mode that can finish the job in just 30 seconds. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.